Bro, do you want to know the simplest secret to being a better guy? The method turns out to be really easy, bro. You choose a good activity that you haven't been able to do until now. For example, regular exercise. Wake up early at 5 o'clock. Don't sleep too late. Reduce sugar, fried foods, or other habits. Remember, just choose one. Choose what you feel is most important to you. After that, make sure you do this habit for 21 days in a row. It's not permissible, whatever your preference. Note the start date and the 21-day end date. Remember, you can't miss even one day. After 21 days, you will feel that the activity you were forced to do earlier will become a habit. It will become part of your life. You won't find it hard to do it anymore. In fact, it's almost like it's automatic. Want to be even more powerful? Do it for 90 days. After 90 days, this activity will become part of your lifestyle. If you don't do it, it will feel like something is missing. Just like brushing your teeth after waking up or showering every day. The 21/90 theory is very popular and has been proven effective. After 21 days, activities that were initially difficult will turn into habits. After 90 days, this activity will turn into a lifestyle. Keep raising the level. Keep adding good activities that can make you level up. Maintain discipline and commitment. In a year, you will really be a different guy, bro. Spirit.